Hello, we're setting up a free and secure Shadowsocks VPN on your Android. This setup effectively helps bypass restrictions and enhance privacy online. Install Shadowsocks and Simple Obfuscation directly from the Play Store now. Let's get server credentials from the sshocean.com website. Tap the menu, then select Services from the options provided. Select the Shadowsocks link to proceed. Choose a server close for better performance. Complete reCAPTCHA, then tap Generate. Review details, then tap Create button. Copy SS+O BFS HTTP link for configuration purposes. Go back to Shadowsocks Up now. Tap Plus, then choose Import. App loads profile settings automatically for you. Verify, pencil, plugin, then configure. Confirm HTTP wrapper and valid hostname are present. Connect, tap the paper plane icon now. Approve VPN. Green icon means a secure connection is established. You've created a Shadowsocks server successfully. Browse freely and maintain your privacy. Like, share, subscribe, and stay safe.